Hello, my name is Robert Sullivan. I'm currently a senior Point Loma Nazarene Business Finance with a minor in accounting student. I have had the opportunity to work well with many of our professors and faculty within the school that have had prestigious degrees around the country working with large companies like Qualcomm. This aligns well with what I want to do in the future, considering I got the opportunity to extend an offer with a company called Bridgelink Engineering, which is a large renewable energy company. This aligns with my goals, considering I'm a very competitive and optimistic young man who likes to work in large companies like Bridgelink. This is something I'm very passionate about, and if you could see in my resume and my mission statement that this aligns with my goals very well, and it's something I'm very passionate about and I want to do into the future. So please take a look at my resume and other resources, and you'll see the kind of man I am and the kind I want to be, and this is the goals that will take me there. Thank you.